Barbecue Bourbon and Blues YouTube channel, here to give you another recipe. All right, today we're gonna do smoked catfish 3 different ways with stuff you could get from the store. We're here to make you the king or queen of your backyard barbecues. Catch you in a second. All right, so like I said in the intro, we're doing smoked catfish today. All right, so what I did was I took my catfish fillets. I've dried them off using paper towels, okay? And like I said, I'm gonna do them 3 different ways for you today, all right? So first step was to dry your fillets off. The next step is gonna be to dip them in a little butter, okay? So you're just gonna melt your butter. You're gonna take your fish and you're just gonna dip it in. Just like that. Get it all over. All right? Told you I'm gonna do it 3 different ways, so I'm gonna go ahead and lay 3 fillets out for you. And we're gonna season these things up, get them seasoned up. But dip them in butter. All right? One more time. Get that butter all over, man. Get it on that good. All right, just like that. So now that I have it all buttered up, let me get my paper towel. Sorry about that. Clean my hands off a little bit. So the first one I'm going with lemon pepper. We're gonna do a lemon pepper. Smoked catfish. So I got it on there, a little nice coat, nice liberal coat. We'll flip it over. We're gonna get that other side done. That's your lemon pepper. Next one I'm gonna do is jerk, all right? So I got my jerk seasoning. We're gonna get it all over. Pat that in. Get it in that crease since it opened up. Flip it over. Get this other side. Got your jerk done. Last one but not least, Creole, all right? Nice liberal coat of this Creole seasoning. Flip it over. Repeat the same thing. All right. I'm gonna let these sit for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna get them. All right, so down here, my Oklahoma Joe Bronco, I'm gonna get them on. Cajun's going on first. Jerks. Lemon pepper. Close this thing down. All right, so we're back, okay? I did fish 3 different type of ways with seasonings that you can pick up at your local grocery. Let's get into it, all right? And you don't have to rest fish. It's ready as soon as it comes out of the grease or the smoker, all right? Nice and flaky. This is the jerk. And the jerk is doing this thing, all right? As you can see, it's nice and flaky. Good to go. Next thing I'm gonna taste is the lemon pepper. They're both good, but that lemon pepper's real good. All right. Last but not least, I'm gonna hit this Creole, this Tony Saturates, and see what we get working with right here. All three of them are very delicious, okay? So again, what you wanna do, get your catfish fillets or whatever fish fillet you like, your white fish, if that's what you prefer. Clean them up, dry them off, get you some butter, melt your butter, let it cool down. All right, you don't want to stick anything in hot butter because it's gonna start cooking it at that point. So let it cool down to where you can dip it in the butter, or you can take a brush and even brush it on if you want to. I prefer to dip mine. All right, you're gonna do that. Then you're gonna season it with whatever season that you prefer. Me, I did it 3 different ways because my family likes it 3 different ways, so that's what I did. And they are all delicious. All right, so again, and you can see it's still hot because that steam is coming up off there. So make sure you subscribe, comment, like and share the channel with your friends and family. Like I said, we've been catering and things of that nature, so we've been extremely busy, but we're back. It's the holiday season. We hope you have a great holiday season. We're gonna have more videos coming up for holiday season, so stay tuned, all right? We'll catch back up with you next time. Barbecue, bourbon, and blues with the Word Brothers.